We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Consider as a part of syllabus. So be concentrate here. This is the chapter. Subject code again repeat 3140912 for electrical branch. For electrical branch and for EC branch, subject code is 3141009. Now, according to EC branch, it can be considered as a unit number 2. And for electrical branch, it can be considered as a unit number 5. Unit number 5 or 6. I think unit number 5 or 6. I exactly not remember, but it is the part of syllabus for electrical and NC student, also for electronic student. So please carefully see this video. Uh, in this, we have learned the topic Biot-Savart law, MPA circuital law, Coulomb, Stokes theorem, magnetic flux density, scalar and vector magnetic potential, and other points. Now, what is the fundamental concept of magnetic field? List out the source at which or due to this source magnetic field is generated. Now, I will explain with the help of whiteboard. What is the first of all fundamental meaning of magnet? See, this is considered as a magnet. This is considered as a two pole is known as south pole. Now, before magnetic field, we have understand the basic concept of magnetic field. First of all, why magnetic field is required? Why magnetic field is also known as magnetic field? One of the Magnesia was the Iceland that can be established. That was established in the Japan. At that time, some of the shepherd, ગુજરાતીમાં કહું તો ભરવાડ, એ લોકો એ મેગ્નેશિયા નામના દ્વીપ પર ચાલતા હતા. He was walked around that Magnesia Iceland. At that time, he found that shepherd shoes consist of iron material, and that iron material that can be attracted towards the land. Means what? Simply saying in Hindi language, जो भी जो शेफर्ड था उसके पैर में जो आयरन की खिलियां थी वो जमीन पे हीट दबी रहती थी और वी कैन से जमीन पे खुद जाती थी. तो उसका क्या मतलब था कि वहां पे कुछ मैग्नेट है. मैग्नेट मीन्स क्या? ऑलवेज अट्रैक्ट द अदर मटेरियल टुवर्ड्स इट. Now, after some of the decade, some of the 3 years, or some of the 30 year, 40 year, 50 year, one of the scientists, which is known as Ørsted was the scientist who have given the fundamental concept regarding the magnetic field. and introduced the concept of magnetic needle. See this is magnetic needle. Now, if I have passed the current of 10 ampere, pass the current of 10 ampere. Now, if I have passed the 10 ampere current to this battery, then due to this current, due to this current, there is rate of change of charge I equal to dq divided by dt. I equal to dq divided by dt. Rate of change of charge that can be changed with respect to time. So if charge can be changed, if charge can be changed from one point to another point, at that time magnetic needle can be rotated like that. Magnetic needle can be rotated like that. See, this is the rotation with which magnetic needle can be rotated from uh, horizontal position to vertical position. Magnetic needle can be rotated. Now, now, if we can put magnetic needle on upside, then magnetic needle can be rotated horizontally. So it is the concept of magnetic field. See, this is the concept not suggested by me. This is the concept that can be suggested by the Oersted scientist. If current flow in the wire, then magnetic field can be developed surrounding it. So it is the first application of magnetic field. It is the first application, or we can say source of magnetic field. Now, second, which is known as magnet. See, this is magnet. Now, magnet contains two poles, north pole and south pole. Magnet contains two poles, north pole and south pole. I have sketched the magnetic field. See this. This is the magnetic field north to south. This is the magnetic field south to north. So what is the direction of field north to south and what is the inside direction south to north? See here, north to south and inside magnet field is south to north. So it is the direction of magnetic field. It is the direction of magnetic field. It is the direction of magnetic field north to south, south to north. So it is the also source of the source of the generation of magnetic field. Source of the generation of magnetic field. Now, what is the limitation over here? It contains the fixed value. It contains the fixed value. Now, due to magnetic needle, also magnetic field developed, which is known as fixed value. But it is not 100% fixed. If battery voltage is changed, say in first case, assume that 10 volt. Now in second case, if voltage increase from 12 to 20 volt, second case, if voltage increase from 10 to 20 volt, then also magnetic needle position is changed. Magnetic needle can be rotated twicely compared to 10 volt. So it is some type of variable field, but it is not ideally variable field. Here fixed field. So what is the source of magnet? If current flow in the filament, then also magnetic field is developed. Second, second, magnetic field is developed due to magnet. And third, magnetic field is flowed, magnetic field is produced due to the change in electric field that I will discuss in the Maxwell equation concept. Already discussed in the Maxwell equation. So it is the source of magnetic field. So I have right here first of all, what is the source of magnetic field? Magnetic field generated due to due to battery battery and if we can put if we can put magnetic needle around around battery and wire, so magnetic field is produced. Now second, magnetic field is produced but is fixed field. Third, due to time varying due to time varying electric field always produce magnetic field. So one, two, three are considered as a source of magnetic field. One, two, three are considered as a source of magnetic field. Now, now mathematics value of magnetic field we can not able to identify. Mathematical value of magnetic field was established by one of the scientists which is known as Biot-Savart. That's why this law is known as Biot-Savart law. I have also explained this magnetic mean rotation. See this rotation, I have already explained in the board, whiteboard. Now see magnetic field generation source due to magnetic field is produced. See this, read this very carefully. Due to magnetic field is produced. See this. Magnetic field is produced and generation of variable magnetic field is not possible. It is only possible when magnet is changed. So obviously this is the common point. Now due to constant DC current, due to rate of change of charge with respect to time, magnetic field is produced. This is known as constant field. But if current is changed from one to another, then magnetic field is also changed. Otherwise, magnetic field is not possible. So it is the basically 1, 2, and 3 point, which is known as magnetic field generation source. Due to magnetic field is generated, due to constant current, magnetic field is generated, and due to time varying electric field, due to time varying electric field also produce magnetic field. So it is the definition of the generation of magnetic field. Now state and explain Biot-Savart law. Biot-Savart law means what? It gives the mathematical expression. It gives the mathematical expression. See this Biot-Savart law, two different scientists. Biot-Savart law is used to find magnetic field intensity due to current flow in the conductor. Means what? I have explained this figure. I have explained this figure. See this. This is filament. Consider this is the filament at which I current is flow. Consider this is filament at which I current is flow. Now due to I current, we want to determine magnetic field at P point. Due to I current, we would like to obtain magnetic field at P point. See this. Due to current, we would like to obtain magnetic field at P point. It is known as angle theta. It is also known as angle theta, and P equal to point at which we would like to obtain value of magnetic intensity. Point at which we would like to obtain value of magnetic field intensity. So it is the concept regarding the Biot-Savart law explanation. Now, magnitude of magnetic field at P point is directly proportional to the product of current, differential length, and sine angle between filament and line connecting differential length to point P, and it is inversely proportional to the square of the distance between them. It is inversely proportional to the square of the distance from filament to point P. So dH equal to ideal sine theta. It is the basic equation. Ideal sine theta divided by 4 pi r square. It is the basic equation of magnetic field. Now see, this is the fundamental figure which I have already highlighted in the whiteboard. It is ideal cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. So it is the fundamental equation of magnetic field. Now, now AR means what? Unit vector from differential current element to P point. Obviously, unit vector gives the direction of vector in multi-dimensional space. So see this. This is the unit vector ideal cross AR. Why? Because current flow like that. See, this is the direction of current. See, this is the direction of current. Sorry, this is the direction of current. We would like to obtain magnetic field at P point here. So obviously cross product can be taken to find the direction of magnetic field. Ideal cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. Ideal cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. Now ideal means what? Differential current element. R means what? Distance between filament to P point. Ideal. Ideal equal to KDS equal to JDV. What is the meaning of that? Ideal equal to ampere into meter equal to KDS equal to ampere divided by meter square into meter square. So these two can be cancelled with each other. Sorry, ampere per meter into meter square. So answer is ampere per meter. Here surface current density ampere per meter square and ZDV ampere divided by meter square into meter cube. So is equal to answer is ampere per meter. So it is the common answer of ampere per meter. So ideal cross AR equal to KDS cross AR equal to JDV cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. It is the equation of differential magnetic field intensity. Now, this DH means what? It is the magnetic field obtained at P point due to particular point. But now we would like to obtain magnetic field. We would like to obtain magnetic field due to the infinite length of filament. So H equal to minus infinite to infinite dH is the answer. What is the magnetic field quantity? Ampere per meter. Now, what is the application of Biot-Savart law? Application of Biot-Savart law means what? Due to infinite length of filament, we would like to obtain the equation of magnetic field. We would like to obtain the equation of magnetic field due to infinite length of filament. Now see, derive the expression of electric field due to infinite length. So infinite length means what? See this. Here I have write here. It is already mentioned here. This is known as plus infinite. This is considered as a plus infinite. This is known as plus infinite, and this is known as minus infinite. Minus infinite. This is known as plus infinite. Now, due to this plus infinite and minus infinite, large amount of current can be flow in the circuit. See, this is I current. I current that can be flow in the circuit, and due to I current, we would like to obtain magnetic field at P point. We would like to obtain magnetic field at P point. So consider here, magnetic field always taken as a magnetic field at which point we want to find is always taken as a perpendicular. Means P point lies in the xy plane. P point lies in the xy plane. So here r comma phi comma 0. See, this is the most important concept. If P point lies in the xy plane, then which coordinate equal to 0? It is known as z coordinate. So it can be considered as a one type of MCQ. But we prepare very carefully MCQ. MCQ is the most twist compared to theoretical portion. So please try to prepare very well. If P point lies in the xy plane, then which coordinate 0? Obviously z coordinate is 0. Obviously z coordinate is 0. So here we can say that current flow in the z-axis, the current flow magnetic field which is generated at P point in any space. So if current is flowing the entire filament, so field is generated at any point, it is the straightforward formula. Now, according to Biot-Savart law, IDL cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. I have write the equation here. IDL cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. I have write this equation. Now consider DH equal to DH equal to IDL cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. So we have applied here integration concept. Integration I dl cross product with cross product with AR divided by I Then I'll say DL, DL, cross product with cross product with AR divided by 4 pi r square. So it is the equation of magnetic field intensity due to due to infinite length of filament. Now AR. AR means what? It can be considered as a unit vector. AR means what? It can be considered as a unit vector. See this. See this. See this. Ideal cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. AR means what? Vector R divided by magnitude R. R means what? Point at which we want to determine H minus point at which current is generated. Current is generated here. So here we can say here we can say 0 comma 5 comma z. Here r comma 5 comma 0. Why here 5? If Cartesian coordinate system is used, then here we can write 0 comma 0 comma z. But as cylindrical છે, cylindrical માં આ 5 આની સાથે connected હોય. See this, one type of z path can be developed. One type of z path can be developed. So here we can say in Gujarati language first it is known as yugma form. Clear? Now ideal cross AR divided by 4 pi r square. R means what? Point at which we want to find H, point at which I generate. R comma 5 comma 0 at which we want to find H, and 0 comma 5 comma Z at which magnetic field is developed, and we want to find magnetic point at P point. So you substitute the data. So a mod R equal to R square plus Z square એનો સ્ક્વેર કરો એટલે R square plus Z square આવે. હવે ideal cross બ્રેકેટમાં R AR minus Z AZ divided by R square plus Z square એને square root માં આવશે. એટલે what is the equation of unit vector? Vector divided by magnitude of vector. So what is the magnitude of vector? What is the magnitude of vector that can be represented here? See this. R AR minus Z S Z divided by R dot root R square plus Z square. Now DL equal to DZ AZ. DL equal to DZ AZ. रविंद्र सर ठीक मान ली थी कि नहीं? DL equal to DZ AZ. So R AR minus Z AZ. Put this value here. So filament put in Z axis. Filament put in Z axis. So DL equal to DZ AZ. So AZ cross AR equal to A5. AZ cross AZ equal to 0. So put here AZ cross AR equal to A5. AZ cross AR equal to A5. And AZ cross AZ equal to 0. So AR A5 AZ. AZ cross AR equal to A5. AZ cross AZ equal to 0. So I dZR in the direction of A5 divided by 4 pi r square plus z square raised to 3 by 2. This is due to point. Now we want to obtain H due to entire filament. So just take the integration. Put the value same IR dz A5 upon 4 pi under root r square plus z square raised to 3 by 2. Now put z equal to r tan theta. So dz equal to r sec square theta d theta. dz equal to r sec square theta d theta. See this value. I have also solved here. Z tends to minus infinite, theta tends to minus infinite. So put here minus infinite. Theta tends to minus infinite. Why? Because tan inverse minus infinite equal to minus pi by 2. Now z equal to plus infinite. So here tan theta equal to plus infinite. So it is known as plus pi by 2. So minus pi by 2 to plus pi by 2. IR into r sec square theta upon 4 pi r square plus r square tan square theta raised to 3 by 2 in the direction of a5. So r square sec square theta d theta upon r cube sec cube theta in the direction of a5. So sec square theta upon sec cube theta and 1 upon cos theta. 1 upon cos theta at the sin theta. Sorry, 1 upon sec theta at the cos theta. What is the integration of cos theta it is sin theta? See this sec term is present here. Sec term is present here. 1 upon sec theta. So it is known as cos theta. So I upon 4 pi r sin pi by 2 minus sin minus pi by 2. Original answer is I upon 2 pi r. Original answer is I upon 2 pi r. So it is the final answer related to this particular lecture. Related to this particular lecture. See this I upon 2 pi r in the direction of A5. Means if current flow in Z direction, then only we can get the component of X and Y direction. We cannot get the component of Z direction. So it is the advantage of magnetic field due to infinite length of filament. So the concluding part regarding the lecture. Now derive the expression of magnetic field intensity due to finite length of filament. કઈ change નથી કરવાનો finite length હોય કે infinite length હોય assume infinite length જ કરવાની અને જે ડેરિવેશનમાં અહીંયા સુધી કરો ને Z1 ની આલ્ફા 1 ની બદલે Z1 લઈ લેવાની સમજાય છે શું કહું છું try please try to understand. Here Z1, Z2 directly we can get due to finite length of filament Z1, Z2. In if electric field due to infinite length of filament, then it is considered as a minus infinite to plus infinite. But here finite length. That's why Z1 to Z2. Don't worry regarding that. Government will provide the 100% benefit. Cos alpha integration sin alpha 2 minus sin alpha 1. So it is the basic application of Biot-Savart law. Determine magnetic field due to infinite length of filament, determine H due to finite length of filament, and determine H due to circular ring. So this is the application of Biot-Savart law. Now see this, if P point lies here, see this is filament. See the position of cursor, see this is the filament. And P point at which we want to find magnetic field. So obviously with respect to center, alpha 1 is negative, alpha 2 is positive. So alpha 2 is positive, alpha 1 is negative. Now see this P point, upper part and lower part. But see this, what is the interesting scenario can you develop? P point is below finite filament and then alpha 1 and alpha 2 are positive. How it is possible? It is the again part of the example, part of the conversation. P point is above filament, so alpha and alpha 2 both are negative. P point upside, alpha 1 alpha 2 both are negative side, so it contains the negative value. So it is the properties of Dale operator, or we can say it is the properties of department. To introduce Biot-Savart law, application of Biot-Savart law, and TRD of account. It is known as part of syllabus. So it is the complete topic regarding the Biot-Savart law.